About 75 years ago, there was a train who was a frickin' wuss. His name was Henry. Oh, damn it, he's fallen off the track. Oh, god damn it. Okay, let's go that from the top. His name was Henry, and he was a green engine. And he wanted to go into a tunnel because he didn't like getting wet. And somehow, he actually managed to do it. The driver and fireman told Henry to get the hell out of the tunnel, but Henry refused. He said, "Okay, listen here, buddy, I just got this I just got this paint job yesterday. I don't want to get it ruined again, okay? So just, you know, I just need to stay in for now." So the driver and fireman called the police. The police officer arrived and threatened Henry with a citation. Henry still refused to get out of the tunnel. So then all the passengers got out and tried to pull Henry. Now this was a stupid idea, so they decided to push Henry instead. And that didn't work. Then the fattest man on planet Earth arrived, the Fat Controller. Alright, Henry, listen up. If you don't get out of this tunnel, right now, I will cut off the tracks and I'll leave you here to die. But the rain stopped 5 hours ago. But the rain will come back. It's been 5 hours! Is it coming back, man? Yeah, but, like, snow and the ice. It's summer! Yeah, but, yeah, you know, I just don't want to leave him. I'm a sulky idiot. Alright. Fellas, come over here. And whatever the Fat Controller says goes. Henry was then boarded up inside the tunnel. And the engine known as Edward would go past and say, Pete, hello Henry, you stupid freaking idiot. And when Gordon went past, he said, "Ha ha! So long, sucker!" And so Henry sat there, perfectly socially distancing from everyone around him. And then one day, Gordon broke down. Oi, lads, what's going on here? Yeah, so, you were swearing too much, so the Fat Controller, you know, he kinda loosened up your, you know, like, the things to make you run, and, yeah, so, he did that because you were swearing too much. Oh, for fuck, Gordon! What did I just say? Fine. Guess I'll stop swearing. Well, too late, you're broken down now. It wasn't my fault, though! Shut up, okay? Now we need someone to pull the express. I'll do it. No! We can't let him do it! He's a peasant! You know he got stuck in that tunnel for a reason, because he's a freaking wuss! You know what, Henry? You might actually be our best option right now. What? What? Gordon then called upon the Fat Bueno himself. Sir, listen, these people are literally recommending that I get a criminal to pull the express for me. Yeah, you got a fair point with that. I don't know, get that other blue guy? Oh, what's his name? Sir, how can you not remember your own engine? Shut up, okay? God. Eric, get Eric! Sir, it's Edward, shut up. I can call him whenever I like, he's my engine. And so Gordon was shunted into a siding as Edward pulled up to take the express, which was about twice his weight. He tried pulling, and pulling, and pulling, and pulling, and pulling, and pulling, and pulling, but it just didn't work, you know, because, you know, plot convenience. You know, so I could just help him. No, he's fine. You know, actually, he probably needs help. So Henry came out of the tunnel and was coupled to Edward. I mean, Eric. Yeah, it was Eric, wasn't it? Yeah, it was Eric. And then they managed to pull the express just fine. Somehow. They went so fast that Tom Hat, who was on the train, his hat flew off. Oi! Stop! My hat! Stop! It's my iconic hat! And then they eventually arrived at the station. As the passengers stumbled around, vomiting all over the platform, the Fat Controller decided to talk to Henry. Alright, listen. Your work today was very good. Besides, the whole tunnel thing. But, I would like to give you a reward, because, I'm nice like that. So what do you want as a reward? $1,000 would be nice. Yes! That's a good idea! Blue paint! But unfortunately, the director couldn't film this scene because he doesn't have the right model. Thank you, and goodbye.